Page 37, Spring. It's a very famous melody. It's not piano music, but okay, we can deal with it. We're using a 5-finger scale. We're the D thing again. We're in this position with the F sharps. And we'll start with the right hand here. In 4/4 time, we have a pickup beat. So we're coming in on beat 4. If you look at the last beat of the piece, down at the bottom, it's the dotted half notes. That's 3 counts. So you put them together, you got 4 counts. Okay. Right hand, 4/1. 4/1. Remember, all those F's are sharp. So it's 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. The numbers between the stabs are the counting. They're being nice to you. Normally you don't get that. They're telling you what that is. So work out the right hand. The left hand, you have a D and an A. It's like a D chord, but they're not using the middle note. They can do that. 3, and that's tied, so you're going to hold it down for 7 counts. Then play it again. Hold it down for 7 counts, whichever. And that's, for the most part, what the left hand is doing until the last measure when you finally get to add an F sharp to it. Isn't that nice of them? Hands together. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Bring both hands up together here. 1 and 2 and 3 and. 2, 3. So forth. We add the articulation, the slurs and the staccatos. Well, the left hand you don't get anything, you're just hanging on to it for the most part. Just hang on. It's the right hand. I can use a light finger staccato here. Can use your wrist if you want, but the finger. 1 and 2 and 3 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and. So add in this staccatos, then we do the dynamics. It's loud. That's the right hand. Keep these chords on the soft side. When you get to the end of the second line, it's soft. That's the right hand. The chords have to be very soft. It's like an echo. So the last note of the second line going on, it's soft. Now when you're playing soft, I do recommend a finger staccato more because that's easier to play soft with finger than this. You use the smaller muscles to play soft usually, so it's here. And then the last line, you're going to crescendo back up to loud. Don't get loud to the last measure, so plan it out. So it starts soft, now moderately soft, moderately loud, loud. That's the right hand. The left hand can get a little louder, but keep it under the right hand. So that last line you're here, soft, here. So the last note should be the loudest. Not really loud, just loud. Speed-wise, this is a very fast piece, but you got to play it accurately. So don't go beyond that. Keep it down to whatever speed you can take accurately. I'd like to play it with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do the dynamics. So I'll give us 3 counts because we come in on beat 4. 1, ready, go. 1, 2 and 3 and. 2 and 3 and. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and. 3, off. Now there's a duet at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that. And you play what you just played, but we're going to go a little faster, and I need you to go up an octave on the keyboard. So just pretend middle C is here, and instead of here, you're up here. Play it up here. Like so. So I'll give us 3 counts. Now the bottom part, the duet part, doesn't have a pickup beat. That's you. So I'm going to play that note with you, and then I'll play the bottom part. 1, ready, go.